Welcome to our guide on sending money with Western Union. In this video, we'll explore how this service can benefit you and your family. First, let's set up your Western Union account. Head over to their official website and follow these simple steps to get started. You have several options to send money: online, through the mobile app, or in person. Each has its advantages, so consider what works best for you. Before you start your transfer, make sure you have all the required information and documents ready, including your ID and the recipient's details. Now, let's walk through the process of initiating a transfer step by step. It's simpler than you might think. Understanding the fees and exchange rates is crucial for your transfer. Let's break down what you need to know to avoid surprises. Once your transfer is initiated, you can easily track it through the app or website to ensure it reaches your recipient on time. Don't forget to inform your recipient about the collection process and what they need to bring with them to pick up the money. Security is a top priority when sending money. Western Union employs various measures to ensure that your transactions are safe. In conclusion, Western Union offers a reliable way to send money to friends and relatives quickly and safely. We hope this guide helps you navigate the process with ease.